This is a really cool waterfall. I wonder... I'm wet now. Whoa, it turned off. And where did my Halloween costume go? It's so watery. What if I turn it on? It's so nice. I don't have my Halloween costume back. What am I supposed to do? I'm gonna go over here. I'm going to knock.
Yes.
Hello, little girl. So what are you doing here? I just wanted to know, what is that waterfall for?
Oh, that one over there, it's very special. It's very magical. Your Halloween costume goes away if you touch it.
Oh, I guess that's what happened to me. Will I get it back?
I don't know. Bye.
Try somewhere else. Where else could I go? Oh, here's a house. Oh, he's knocking at my door. Oh, hello, little girl. What's going on? Hey, I was at this magical waterfall. Oh, that one over there? Yes. And I lost my costume, Halloween costume. Do you think I'll get it back? I don't know, sweetie. I'm sorry. But see you later. That was my last chance. I'm done.